Hi everyone, just to let you know that I have been really looking into bond ETFs just to give a bit of safety ballast for my investment in my stocks and shares ISA. I've been researching this for a couple of months now and I've finally done it, and I've investing % of my overall investment pot into SAGG, which is the iShares global gilts bonds. So it's basically global bonds across the world with no corporate bonds, because I didn't want that risk. The reason why I've taken this one is because it provides more safety than the other bonds, which other bonds are still quite safe, but this is more safe because it doesn't have the corporate bonds in it, which I don't want. So I've allocated a small amount to this, to my investment. This is just to keep just a bit of safety and ballast in it, because I've got the gold section as well, which also provides a bit of safety there as well when the markets dip, which they're bound to. They dip roughly around every 7 years or so. I've got 10 years left of investing and the markets are at an all-time high. Normally I wouldn't listen to the noise with regards to financial markets, etc., and the stock markets and whatever, but for me personally, I wanted to have some kind of safety with my investments. There's always risk when it comes to investing, but you can mitigate some risk if you're someone of my age and you want to have a bit of safety. So I finally invested in SAGG. It's a certain percentage. It's quite small. And what I'll do is I'll follow a glide path. So every year I will increase that amount. So when it comes to my retirement at 62-ish, there'll be an equal mix, or maybe a bit more of the bonds, and my equities share of my ISA will be smaller. This is just to hedge anything. So if there is a stock market volatility when I come to retire, at least there'll be some money which is safe and it won't be affected too much. So that's my 10-year thinking, trying to hedge everything that I can, whilst at the same time still making the most of these fantastic market highs that we're having at the moment. So there we are. So I finally done it. If you have any questions with regards to what I've done or why I've done it, more than happy to answer them. Anyway, have a lovely day. Bye.